Nadia, congratulations. You just came off the stage winning the Community Service Awards here at Invest in Others. Tell me a little bit about Wings and your nonprofit.
Yes, I am shocked and surprised, but honored. Wings, we focus on women and financial literacy. We have three focuses to Wings. One is supporting and providing resources to women going through divorce. Our second mission is women and financial literacy. So we have advisors that teach in local communities and colleges for ages 18 and up. And what I love is when I see women bring their children and other friends to make sure that they understand what finances look like for them personally. And three is we are getting ready end of the year to launch our program for widows. An average widow age is 52. So we are looking at providing resources and other services that they need.
What an incredible initiative. How did you get involved with Wings?
I went through a divorce personally 21 years ago. I had at the time, my kiddos were 8 months, 2.5 and 5. And I really didn't know where to start. And there were not a lot of resources out there except getting on the computer and Googling things. So that is when I thought about how can we provide more resources to women out there that are going through this process. And here we are 9 years later.
Well, it obviously paid off. So, what does the recognition from Invest in Others mean to Wings' mission?
Big deal. Big deal. One, just being in the industry, being an advisor for 21 years. Second, the award will provide many women that can't afford the resources they need, such as having an attorney, mediator, or a financial representative in their divorce. And that is where the award is going, is for pro se services.
Oh, fantastic. Well, Nadia, congratulations again. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
For wealthmanagement.com, I'm Shannon Rossick.